One of the biggest challenges in our industry is art. Art is either created by our team or the client is providing art. Okay, if you're providing art for screen printing, promotional products, or signs, you need to have vector art. Vector art is when the design is created in Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw. Okay, so if you're working with a designer, you have to request that they create your file in Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw. If you're asking someone to send you a file, you need them to send you their Adobe AI Illustrator file or an EPS file. Those are vector files that allow us to blow up your art without any pixelation. Okay, so the key terms are vector, art, EPS file, or AI file. Any other file, Photoshop, Canva, JPEG, PNG, SVG, any other file is going to require our team to redraw your logo. Not a problem, but there is a cost associated with it. And depending on the complexity of your logo, that can range anywhere from $15 to $115. Okay, so vector art is the key. When it comes to embroidery, we just need any file you can produce, because with embroidery, we have to create a digitized file. The problem that comes up all the time is people say, well, I've had my designer design the file. I have the file you need. 99.9% of the time, you do not have the embroidered DST or EMB file. That's something we're going to have to create regardless, and that's going to be part of your embroidery setup. Usually ranges anywhere from 60 to 150, depending on how many stitches are in your design. So for embroidery, the file doesn't matter. We just need to be able to visibly see it because we have to redraw it. For all the other services, we need the EPS, we need the AI, and if we don't have those, our team will have to redraw it. Any questions about art, give our team a call, and we can kind of guide you through it.